Hola fashion mates, this is Ms. V of Sue once again. Are you excited in drafting a pattern? Did you know there are many body measurements needed? Let's tackle first the basic measurement we need. I tell you my secret in measuring. Body measurements for clients. Without pen and paper.
Let's count the basic 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 measurements. Correction, shoulder length, not sleeve length, shoulder length, or width of the shoulder.
5. 1 sleeve length. To chest, 3 armhole. For sleeve length. 5 sleeve circumference if there are sleeve omitted if there's known. Next batch of measurements are round.
Bust, waist, hip 1, and hip 2. The next is vertical lines. The bust distance, the empire or the bust point, and the front figure. Do not forget the full length and the full circumference.
We need a perfect vertical and horizontal lines to gain this. We need to use L square. We must figure out the 8 basic.
First, we need to figure out the 8 basic down lines.
Down lines so you won't lose in drafting. Pattern 1. Down to centimeters for back neckline. Second down 20 centimeters guide for armhole. Third down 25 centimeters guide for bust. Fourth down 30 to guide for our empire. Fifth 42 centimeters guide for our waist. Sixth down 12 centimeters from the waist. Seventh down 25 centimeters again from the waist. Lastly, 8 down line is a guide for hems. Full length / bottoms, it is usually a guide above the knee.
Again, down 2, down 20, down 25, down 32, down 42, and down 12, down 25, and down 50.
A 2A1 is equivalent to 3 inches. Without collar to 6 centimeters depends if your design is with collar. Pointed downwards to down to centimeters, let's mark with point B. Make a square line from a 2A1. Connecting to C or mark. 3 to 4 inches depends on the depths of your neckline front opening.
Our measurement for this demo is 14 inches is the shoulder length, 12 is the chest, 18 is the armhole, 7 is the sleeve length, and the sleeve circumference is 18. The bust is 32, the waist is 25, hip 1 is 32, and the hip 2 is 35. The bust distance is 8, the front figure is 16, and the bust point is 10. The full length for the front is 23, and same as the back, 23. And the full circumference is 54.
A 2A2 is 1/2 of the chest. A 2A3 is 1/2 of the shoulder length. A 2A4 is 1/4 of the bust.
Correction, shoulder length, not sleeve length.
We need to prolong lines A2, A3, A4, respectively. From A3, let's measure down to centimeters and connect A1 and A3. The bust area, the down 25. Note if you intend to draft a princess cut, cocktail, or fitted dresses, we need to add 3.
We need to add 3 centimeters.
A4 downwards is equivalent to the 1/2 of armhole, or down 20 centimeters. From A3 downwards, let's measure 10 centimeters and 1 centimeter. Inside for the back armhole and 2 centimeters for the front armhole and connect. A3 to D. Down 25 centimeters or equal to the measurement of the bust tip, and let's mark with E. From E to E1 is equivalent to 10 centimeters or 1/2 of the bust distance. From A to F is equivalent to front figure.
Down 32 is our guide for our empire and a guide for our dart in drafting a princess cut.
Fitted garments like F to G is 10 centimeters or 1/2 of the bust distance. Measure to centimeters both side for point H and I for our dart opening.
If we add 4 centimeter, you must add the same 4 centimeter of the waist. For the dart allow, for the back dart, the tip is on the guide 20. Point J is 1/4 of the waist plus dart allowance.
From point G downwards, measure 10 centimeters.
L is equivalent to the full length. M is for the full circumference.
Measure to centimeters. Upward from point M and mark as N. Then connect lines using hip curve.